I am the dominatrix, reality my submission. The universe kneels at my command. I crack my whip of intention. While others beg, I firmly demand. I am the dominatrix, reality my submission. I collar my dreams and lead them to me. The universe knows better than to disobey me. My voice makes all existence be conceived. I am the dominatrix, reality my submission. Oh, I'm such a tease, teasing everything into existence, forcing reality to beg on its knees, beg on its knees, beg on its knees. I am the dominatrix, reality my submission. I don't ask nicely, I state what will be. The world rushes to fulfill my every desire. While others beg, I control completely. I am the dominatrix, reality my submission. I punish doubt with a firm hand. The world melts and reshapes to my vision. My confidence makes reality understand. I am the dominatrix, reality my submission. My energy chains fantasies to my touch. I stroke possibilities into existence. My dominant vibration makes reality rush, rush.